Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build an app with Knack no-code platform, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Knack, first, visit the Knack website. Sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Knack dashboard. Click on the Add App button to start creating your first application. Choose a name for your app that reflects its purpose. After naming it, select a template or choose the Start from Scratch option. If you opt for a template, browse through the available choices. Once you've found a suitable template, click Use Template to proceed. If starting from scratch, you'll be directed to the App Builder interface immediately. In the App Builder, you'll start by adding data to your app. Click on the Data tab located on the left sidebar. Hit the Add a New Object button to create your first data table. Name your object according to the type of data it will hold. Add relevant fields to your object by clicking on Add a Field. You can choose from various field types such as text, number, or date. Continue adding fields until your data structure is complete. Once your objects are set, switch to the Pages tab. Here, you will create different views for your app's users. Click on Add a New Page to start designing your page. Choose the type of view you want, such as a table, form, or calendar. Customize the view to display the data fields you need. You can also apply filters and sorting options for better data management. After setting up your page, click Save Page to keep your changes. Next, go to the Settings tab to configure app settings. Set up user access levels and permissions according to your needs. You can change colors, fonts, and logos to align with your branding. Once the design is complete, it's time to test your app. Preview your app by clicking on the Preview button. Interact with your app to ensure everything functions as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.